Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name's Dustin. I just woke up. It's Sunday. Slept in. It's about noon. Just had my coffee. You can see this is a nice old 5.9 Cummins behind me here. I'm gonna be cleaning it up and restoring it. Anyways, I'll talk to you here a little bit about what I do. I'm a little new to the channel and the YouTube, so apologize if things are a little off or shaky. But what I do is I buy trucks and I fix them and I sell them. I either sell them to customers or I sell them to dealerships. I usually try to find stuff that's a little more rare. I like to find manual trucks. I like to find low kilometer diesel trucks. I paint stuff that's rusted. I paint stuff that's dented. I buy trucks at auctions that are written off. I do trades. I buy cars. I basically buy everything. I have a license. I do it legit, but anyways, this one here is a one owner farm truck. He had it basically since 2007. Really nice truck. It just hasn't seen a clean and hasn't seen a detail, maintenance in years. He hasn't even driven it in 2 years. The day that I bought it, I actually had to fill up the clutch fluid because I couldn't even shift. But anyways, I'm just gonna take you through how I'm gonna clean it, how I'm gonna detail it. I do have a customer lined up for it. He does have a dealership. He doesn't want it perfect. He just wants it nice, showable. He knows that some of these trucks do have some rust. He just wants it detailed, clean, ready to go, ready to drive. I'm not spending a whole lot of time. I might spend a day or two touching stuff up. And you may think it's a little cheesy that I'm just doing little stuff here, but you know what? It's a truck with $500,000 or $250,000 K and a little work truck. So whoever gets this is going to get a deal, but they're going to get something that's hard to find. Anyways, I'll show you around the truck, how it looks now and what it's going to look like after. And yeah. All right. Yeah, let's get into it. Unbelievable. Cobwebs, dirt, hair, mud. Like, it hasn't been cleaned probably in a while. You gotta appreciate the seat covers because you know they're gonna be nice and clean underneath there. Doesn't it just make you cringe when you see all that though? Like, oh god, we're gonna get it just freaking mint, eh? The back seat is actually not bad, pretty clean. The box, yeah, that's a hurting scene. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do here yet. I might get a spray-in liner. I might just get a drop-in liner and tell the customer that it's a little rough. Yeah, this guy, he used it as a work truck. I'm surprised because there's no really dents other than this little guy right here. And on the tailgate, I do have a tailgate ordered. I don't know if that'll be in the video, but I do have a new tailgate. But yeah, just super muddy, some few rock chips, faded stuff. As you can see, 6-speed. So what we're gonna do, or the game plan I should say, is fender flares, new lights, remove the bumper, new grille, full engine bay detail, full outside detail. I'm going to touch up the frame a bit. I'm going to do an under bay wash. I'm going to do a slight polish and just try to shine some things up all within 2 days. Well, I think I'm dirtier than the truck itself. Anyways, my little pressure washer, she wasn't enough to get this grime off, so I'm gonna have to go to a semi car wash or something with high pressure and give her some more cleaning, because yeah, she's stuck on there, eh? What do you think? He says it's stuck. All right, guys, would you just look at it? All we did was remove the bumper and we removed the grandpa from the truck. All we got to do now is just take those mounts out. Looks pretty easy right behind the fog lights. Well, there it is. Sorry I couldn't get any more video. I was in a big rush. But looks way better.